Hello everyone. Welcome to the Ceylon Fiction anime studio. This is a quick and complete overview of unboxing HUION H950P drawing tablet. This is not sponsored by anyone. This is my brand new HUION tablet. You can see all the product details printed on the box, the model and pen details. Wow, a cool artwork here. Let's peep into the unboxing now. This is a guide for installing drivers, with some given links. You can download matching drivers using this links to your PC. The tab is pretty much bigger and handy. Brand name. 8 customizable keys for zoom in, zoom out and other commands without using your keyboard. This is the working area. Product details again. 1 USB adapter. A lock for 8 onboard tablet keys. Some user manuals. The very important one is this battery-free unique pen. Pen included with 2 quick buttons. You can do right-click while you work in pen. The pen holder here. You see additional 8 pen nibs inside this. There is a pen nib remover downside the holder. Can be removed the nib in this way. Keep the pen in rest. The tablet comes with a USB cable to connect the device with your PC. It includes 2 additional adapters for Android devices. You can connect the digital drawing tab with your phone and do really cool artworks. Hope you guys look at this again before purchasing this drawing tablet. We'll see how to install drivers and connecting the device with my PC soon. We'll meet again with some cool graphic works on this YouTube studio. You can subscribe me, and comment your experiences with this HUION H950P drawing tablet in the comments section below. Let's share ideas. Thanks and see you soon.